Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISC Topper Classes. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.1 question number 1 to 18 of chapter 3 expansions of ML Agarwal Mathematics. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here we are going to discuss exercise 3.1 question number 1 to 18 of ML Agarwal Mathematics.
So here we are going to solve exercise 3.1. So firstly we will learn about some formulas which will be frequently used in this exercise. So let us start. Here we will use a plus b ka whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and the second is a minus b ka whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now the third is, I think we already know, we have learned it in class 8 also. So it is a square minus b square. Now fourth here is a plus 1 by a ka whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Now the fifth part is a minus 1 by a ka whole square equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Now the sixth part here is a plus the same formula. When we will solve it by this method, we will get this only as the answer. So for using it frequently, I am telling you this. Now here a plus 1 by a and here a minus 1 by a, the same formula like a square minus b square, a square minus 1 by a ka a square. Now seventh part here is a plus b plus c ka whole cube equal to whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca here. Now the eighth part, a plus b ka whole cube. So here I'm solving it, we will get a3 a ka cube b ka cube plus 3ab and a plus b. On opening this bracket, we will get as a3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab ka square plus b ka cube. Now the same in minus we will get as a minus b ka whole cube equal to a ki power 3 minus b ki power 3 minus 3ab, and here a minus b equal to a ki power 3 plus minus 3a square b plus 3ab square here minus b ka cube. So now the next part here is now a minus b ka whole cube is there and a plus. Now we have a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square equal to a ka cube plus b ka cube. Now 11th part here is a minus b, a square minus plus ab plus b square equal to a cube minus b cube. These formula are very important, these two and these two. I will be using in this frequently in this exercise. So you have to learn it by heart. Try to learn it by heart. Now the 12th part, which is also the most basic part of this exercise, is a plus b plus c. Here a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to a ka whole cube plus b ka whole cube plus c ka whole cube minus 3abc. So these 12 formulas are very important, and these formulas are used frequently in this exercise 3.1. Let us solve the first question of this exercise, which is here exercise 3.1, first question. 2x plus 7y ka whole square. So applying the formula here, a plus b ka whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here 2x ka whole square plus 7y ka whole square plus 2x and 7y into. So we will get 4x square plus 49y square plus 28xy as the answer here. Now the second part of this question is 1 by 2x plus 2 by 3y ka whole square. So on solving this, we will get 1 by 2x ka whole square plus 2 by 3y ka whole square plus 1 by 2x into 2 by 3y. On solving it, we will get as 1 by 4 x square plus 4 by 9 y square. Here cancelling 2 from both sides, we will get 2 by 3 y. So x square plus 4 by 9 y square plus 2 by 3 xy here. So this is the answer in this question. Now the second part is, first is 3x plus 1 by 2x ka whole square equal to, on solving we will get 3x ka whole square plus 1 by 2x ka whole square plus 2 into 3x into 1 by 2x. On solving it, we will get 9x square plus 1 by 4 x square plus, on solving 3 to 6 by 2 here, so 3 plus. So 9x square plus 1 by 4 x square plus 3 is the answer in this question. Now, the second part in this question is 3x square y plus 5z का whole square. On taking the a plus b का whole square formula, we will put 3x square y whole square plus 5z का whole square plus 2 3x square y into 5z. On solving it, we will get 9x4 y square plus 25z square plus 15 to 30x square y and z. So this is the answer in this question. Now the first part here is 3x minus 1 by 2x का whole square. On solving this, we will get 3x का whole square plus 1 by 2x का whole square minus 2 3x into 1 by 2x. On solving this, we will get 9x square plus 1 by 4x square. On cancelling out x from here and 2 from here, we will get minus 3. So 9x square plus 1 by 4x square minus 3 is the answer in this question here. Now the second part of this question, third, is 1 by 2x minus 3 by 2y का whole square. Applying the same formula as the previous one, we will get 1 by 2x का whole square plus 3 by 2y का whole square minus 2 1 by 2x into 3 by 2y. And finding it, we will get 1 by 4x square plus 9 by 4y square. Cancelling out 2 from here, minus 3 by 2 xy is the answer here in this question. Solving the fourth question, first part, we will get as x plus 3 and x plus 5. And calculating it, we will get x square plus here 5x plus 3x plus 15. So here x square 8x plus 15 is the answer in this question. Now the second part is x plus 3, x minus 5. On calculating this, here we will get x square plus minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equal to x square minus 2x minus 15 as the answer in this question. Now third part here is x minus 7 and x plus 9. On calculating this, we will get x square minus 7x plus 9x minus 97 into 63 equal to x square plus 2x minus 63 is the answer. Fourth part says that x minus 2y and x minus 3y equal to x square minus 3xy minus 2xy plus 6y square equal to x square minus 5xy plus 6y square is the answer in this question here. Here fifth part here is x minus 2y minus z का whole square. On solving this, we will get x square plus minus 2y का whole square plus minus z का whole square plus 2 minus 2xy minus plus 2yz plus zx here. On solving, we will get x square plus 4y square plus z square plus minus 4xy plus 4yz plus 2zx. So this is the answer here in this question. Sorry, here it is minus, so here it will be minus 2zx is the answer. Now the second part here of fifth question is 2x minus 3y plus 4z का whole square. So 2x minus 3y plus 4z का whole square. On solving this, we will get 2x का whole square plus minus 3y का whole square plus 4z का whole square plus 2x into 3y. On solving, we will get now plus minus 3y into 4z plus 4z 2x. On solving this here, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 2 minus 6xy minus 12yz plus 8zx. On solving this, we will get 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square minus 12xy minus 24yz plus 16zx is the answer here in this question. Here first part is 2x plus 3 by x minus 1 का whole square. On solving it, we will get 2x का whole square plus 3 by x का whole square plus minus 1 का whole square plus 2x into 3 by x plus 3 by x into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 2x equal to 4x square plus 9x square plus 1 plus 2. On cancelling out x from here, we will get 6. Now minus 3 by x minus 2x. So 4x square plus 9 by x square plus 13 minus 3 by x minus 2 by x. So this is the answer here in this question. Now the second part of this is, on solving we will get 2 by 3x minus 3 by 2x minus here we have 6 because I'm multiplying this 2 from here, and here we have 4. Sorry, yeah, this is the answer here. Now here we have the whole square. On solving it, we will get 2 by 3x ka whole square plus minus 3 by 2x ka whole square plus 1 minus 1 ka whole square plus 2 by 3x into minus 3 by 2x plus minus 3 by 2x into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 2 by 3x. So this is equal to 4 by 9 ka x square plus 9 by 4 ka x square plus 1 plus, on cancelling out this from 3 here and this x, 2x and 2x, we will get minus 2. On cancelling this whole thing, we will get plus 6 by 2x. Now here plus minus 4 by 3x. So on solving, we will get 4 by 9 ka x square plus 9 by 4 ka x square. Here we have minus 1 plus 6 by 2x. On cancelling, we will get 3 minus 4 by 3x. So writing it, 4 by 9x square plus 9 by 4x square minus 1 plus 3 by x minus 4 by 3x is the answer here in the second part. Now here the 7th part is x plus 2 ka whole cube. So here on solving this part, we will get x ki power 3, 2 ki power 3 plus 3 into 2 into x, here x plus 2. So we will get x ki power 3 plus 8 plus 6x, here x plus 2 equal to x ki power 3 plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x. So this is the answer of the 7th first part. Now second part of this 7th question is 2a plus b ka whole cube equal to, on solving, 2a ka whole cube plus b ka whole cube plus 2 into, here 3, sorry, here 3, it is 3 into 2a into b, here 2a plus b. On solving, we will get 8a3 plus b ka cube plus 6ab, here 2a plus b equal to 8a ki power 3 plus b ki power 3 plus 12a square b. Now here it is 6ab ka whole square. So this is the answer of second part. Now yet first part in this question is 3x plus 1 by x ka whole cube. On solving this, we will get 3x ka whole cube plus 1 by x ka whole cube plus 3 into 3x into 1 by x. Here this is 3x plus 1 by x. So on solving this, we will get 27x ki power 3 plus 1 by x ki power 3 plus, cancelling out this, we will get 9 3x plus 1 by x. So here we will have 27x x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 27x plus 9 by x is the answer here in this question. Now second part here is 2x minus 1 ka whole cube. On solving this part, we will get 2x ka whole cube minus 1 ka whole cube minus 3 into 2x, here 2x minus 1 equal to 8x ki power cube minus 1 minus 6x 2x minus 1 equal to 8x cube minus 1 minus 12x square plus 6x. So this is the answer here in this question. 9th first part is 5x minus 3y ka whole cube equal to 5x ka whole cube plus minus 3y ka whole cube minus 3 5x into 3y, here 5x minus 3y equal to 125 x की power 3 minus 27 y की power 3 minus 15 into 3 45 xy, here 5x minus 3y equal to 125 x की power 3 minus 27 y की power 3 minus 225 x का whole square y plus 135 x y का whole square. So this is the answer of the first question. Now the second part here is 2x minus 1 by 3y का whole cube. So here we have 2x का whole cube minus 1 by 3y का whole cube minus 3 2x into 1 by 3y, here 2x minus 1 by 3y. So On calculating it, 8x cube minus 27y cube minus, on cancelling out this, we will get 2x by y, 2x minus 1 by 3y. So 8x की power cube minus 1 by 27y की power cube minus 4x square by y plus 2x by 3y square is the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 10th question. First part, which says that a plus b का whole square plus a minus b का whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square plus b square minus 2ab. So cancel out this, we will get 2a square plus b square. So this is the answer here in this question. Now the second part of this is a plus b का whole square minus a minus b का whole square. So on solving this, we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. Let us cancel out this whole thing. We will get 4ab as the answer here in this question. Now let us solve the 11th question. First part of this is a plus 1 by a ka whole square plus a minus 1 by a ka whole square. So here, applying the formula a square plus b ka whole square, we will find it as a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 plus a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So let us cancel out this. We will get 2a square plus 2 by a square equal to 2a square plus 1 by a square is the answer here in this question. So this is the answer. Now second part of this is a plus 1 by a ka whole square minus a minus 1 by a ka whole square. So on solving this, we will get a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 minus a square plus 1 by a square. Here this is minus, then minus on that side we will get minus 2 equal to, we will cancel out this whole thing, we will get minus as here, it will become plus. So 4 is the answer here in this question. On solving 12th first part here, 3x minus 1 ka whole square minus 3x minus 2, here 3x plus 1. So here it is equal to 3x ka whole square plus 1 ka whole square minus 2 into 3x minus 9x square plus 3x minus 6x minus 2 equal to 9x square plus 1 minus 6x minus 9x square minus 3x plus 6x plus 2 equal to 9x. On cancelling out this 9x square, 6x from here, we will get 3 minus 3x here as the answer in this question. Now the second part of the 12th question is 4x plus 3y ka whole square minus 4x minus 3y ka whole square minus 48xy. So on solving, we will take the a plus b ka whole square formula. So 4x ka whole square plus 3y ka whole square plus 2 into 4x into 3y minus, here on solving 4x ka whole square plus 3y ka whole square minus 2 into 4x into 3y. Now it is minus 48xy. So on solving this, we will get 16x square plus 9y square plus 24xy minus 16x square plus 9y square minus 24xy minus 48xy. So on solving this part, we will get here 16x square plus 9y square plus 24xy minus 16x square minus 9y square plus 24xy minus 48xy. So here we will cancel out this from this and here plus 24. So 48xy minus 48xy equal to 0 in this. Here this is the answer of this question. Here the 13th first part is 7p plus 9q 7p minus 9q. So we have it becomes on multiplying, we will get 49p square minus 63pq. Here on getting it, we will get plus 63pq and here minus 81q square. So this will cancel out and we will get 49p square minus 81q square as the answer here in this question. Now here the second question is 2x minus 3 by x, here 2x plus 3 by x. On solving, we will get 4x square plus 6 and minus 6 minus 9 by x square. So this will all cancel out and we will get 4x square minus 9 by x square as the answer here in this question. Now 14th first part is 2x minus y plus 3 and here 2x minus y minus 3. We will get 2x minus y plus 3 bar here and 2x minus y minus 3. We will apply a square minus b square formula, a minus b and a plus b. So we will get 2x minus y का whole square minus 3 का square equal to 4x square plus y square minus 4xy minus 9. So this is the answer here in this question. Now the second part of 14th question is 3x plus y minus 5. Here 3x minus y minus 5. So we have 3x minus 5 plus y and here 3x minus 5 minus y. So we will apply here formula 3x minus 5 का whole square minus y का square equal to 9x square plus 25 minus 5 to the 15 into 2 equal to 30x minus y square. So this is the answer here in this question. Here 15th question is, first part is x plus 2 by x minus 3. Here x minus 2 by x minus 3. So here we will put x minus 3 plus 2 by x minus 3 minus 2 by x. So this will be, in this we will apply a square minus b square formula, a plus b and a minus b. Here it is x minus 3 का whole square minus 2 by x का whole square equal to x square plus 9 minus 6x minus 4 by x square is the answer here in this question. Now here the 15th second part of this is, second question is 5 minus 2x and 5 plus 2x. Here 25 plus 4x square. So here we will solve 5 का whole square minus 2x का whole square 25 plus 4x square. So on solving this we will get 25 minus 4x square. Here 25 plus 4x square. Then again applying the a minus b square formula. So 25 का whole square minus 4x square का whole square equal to 25 into 25 minus 16x की power 4. So on solving this we will get here 625 minus 16x की power 4 as the answer here in this question. On solving 16th first question, x plus 2y plus 3 and x plus 2y plus 7. We will put x plus 2y equal to a. So a plus 3 and a plus 7. We will get a square plus 7a plus 3a plus 21 equal to a square plus 10a plus 21. Putting the value of a, x plus 2y in this answer, we will get x plus 2y का whole square plus 10x plus 2y plus 21 equal to x square plus 4y square plus 4xy plus 10x plus 20y plus 21. So this is the answer here in this question. Here in 16th second question it is 2x plus y plus 5. Here 2x plus y minus 9. So we will put 2x plus y equal to a. So a plus 5 and a minus 9. Calculating it, a square plus 5a minus 9a minus 45 equal to a square minus 4a minus 45 is the answer here in this question. Putting the value here 2x plus y in the form of a. So 2x plus y का whole square. So 2x plus y का whole square minus 4 2x plus y minus 45. On solving we will get 4x square plus y square plus 4xy minus 8x minus 4y minus 45 is the answer here in this question. Now 16th third part, which says that x minus 2y minus 5. Here x minus 2y plus 3. So we will put x minus 2y equal to a minus 5, a plus 3 equal to a square plus 3a minus 5a minus 15 equal to a square minus 2a minus 15. Putting the value of a in this, we will get x minus 2y का whole square minus 2x minus 2y minus 15 equal to x square plus 4y square minus 4xy minus 2x plus 4y minus 15. So this is the answer of the 16th third question. Now 16th fourth question is 3x minus 4y minus 2. Here 3x minus 4y minus 6. Putting 3x minus 4y equal to a, we will get a minus 2 and a minus 6. So let us solve. A square minus 6a minus 2a plus 12 equal to a square minus 8a plus 12. Putting the value of a in this, we get 3x minus 4y का whole square minus 8 3x minus 4y plus 12. So it is 9x square plus 16y square minus 24xy minus 24x plus 32y plus 12. So here it is 9x square plus 16y square minus 24xy minus 24x plus 32y plus 12 is the answer here in this question. Now the 17th first part here is 2p plus 3q and 4p square minus 6pq plus 9q square. So here we will put it as a cube plus b cube formula, because a cube b cube is equal to a plus b, here a square minus ab plus b square. So putting it in the form of a cube and b cube, we will put 2p ka cube plus 3q ka cube. So 8p ka cube plus 27q ka cube is the answer here in this question. 17 second part is x plus 1 by x, here x square minus 1 plus 1 by x square. So it is x की power whole cube plus 1 by x की power whole cube, we will put it as. So it is x cube plus 1 by x cube as the answer here in this question. Solving the 18th question, first part, we will
Thank
get
you for watching my
3p
video.
minus
If you like this
4q
video,
and
please like, share and
9p
subscribe
square
my
plus
channel.
12pq plus 16q square here. So again we will apply the same formula of a cube minus b cube, because here it is minus sign. Putting the value of this in this, we will get 3p ka whole cube minus 4q ka whole cube equal to 27p ka cube minus 16 into 4 q ka cube. So it is equal to 27p ka cube minus 64q ka cube. So this is the answer here in this question. 18th second part here is x minus 3 by x square plus 3 plus 9 by x square. Here it is, I'm solving x ka whole cube minus 3 by x ka whole cube equal to x cube minus 9 27 upon x cube is the answer here in this question.